Welcome to the MyIngersollRand portal. This portal is built for you as a one-stop shop to digitally engage with MyIngersollRand. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to manage your equipment and service activity in one connected experience, from your assets to service requests, coverage, and maintenance visibility. When you first sign in, you'll land on the My Assets page. This page displays all equipment registered to your account in one list. Each asset shows key details like the model and serial number. You can search, filter, or sort the list to quickly find what you need. To take action on a specific piece of equipment, select an asset from the list. The Asset Details page will open. On the Asset Details page, you'll see a complete view of that asset. At the top, you'll find the model, serial number, location, and current online status. You'll also see important indicators, including maintenance due dates, recent activity, and any active alerts. This page is the central place to manage everything related to the asset. If the asset needs service, you can request it here. Select Book a Service to open a short request form. Describe why you are contacting us and add any details needed. Because the request is tied to that specific asset, our service team receives the right information right away. This helps streamline follow-up and scheduling. You can also access equipment-specific documentation. The documents you see are matched to the asset's model and configuration, helping ensure accuracy when maintaining equipment or reviewing operating information. When preparing for scheduled maintenance or part replacement, the Asset Details page may include recommended parts and kits for that asset. These recommendations help support compatibility. After you submit a parts request, you'll receive a response from the MyIngersollRand team. If certain parts are available through e-commerce, you may also see an option to purchase online. This may not be available for all parts. For connected equipment, the Asset Details page may also show IoT information, depending on whether your equipment is IoT enabled. This information can show whether the asset is online, along with selected real-time details. Beyond individual assets, the portal gives you a broader view of service and maintenance activity across all your equipment. From the main navigation, select Service and Maintenance. This section brings together service activity, coverage visibility, and maintenance-related information in one place. On the Services tab, you'll see service activity across your assets and locations. Services are grouped by type, such as repairs and preventive maintenance, and by status. You can view active and scheduled services as well as completed work. This view helps you understand what service work is planned or in progress without opening each asset one by one. In Service and Maintenance, you can also review coverage and agreements. This page provides a centralized view of your warranty and care coverage across all your assets. Together, these features give you detailed asset-level control and portfolio-level visibility. Thanks for exploring MyIngersollRand, and we look forward to helping you.